come here and give you motivational speech and all of that, but I think all of you all look pretty motivated for what you are doing, right? And I was observing people in the room, and I noticed a few things which were going on. So I thought I could speak a little, I could take 10 minutes and speak on that. Can anyone give me your business card? Anyone? Just give me one business card. Thank you so much. So suppose, what's your name? Abhishek. Suppose Abhishek, do you know me? No, I don't know him, he doesn't know me. You all had a little introduction before. But if I go to Abhishek and I say, Abhishek, will you marry me?
I'm already married.
He didn't say no. He's still considering, but he said, I'm already married. If I go to him and I say, will you marry me?
Yes, I can think.
Yes, I can think, right? But ideally, thank you, I'll keep this card for a while with me. Ideally, if you go to someone, if you really like someone, and you know that you are very good and you are really good at what you do, can I go and tell the person directly, can I marry you? Will that person marry me? In real life scenario, no. But I know how good I am. I can cook well, I can iron clothes, I earn money, I drive. So like that, for a marriage, I am a perfect candidate. Does that person know? No. Is it written on my business card? No. So, you know, one thing which I was observing and which I have known because I have been a part of many groups, and recently I was at an event where there were 1,500 people and he was speaking to people. People don't buy businesses. People don't buy products. People buy people. So right from when you enter the room, how you stand, how much power your eyes have, how you smile at people, how you go forward to the person, put your hand out, put it back, to how you stand with your hands behind. Or sometimes, you know, if you are not confident enough to go and speak to a person, it shows in your body language. Do you agree? If you agree, say yes.
Yes.
Yes. So if you're a part of a network, I think that's a brilliant concept which he's come out with for so many people of similar interest groups to come together. I think it's a wonderful platform to meet people and do so much business, you know, or even talk, establish things, because at the end of it, you get opportunities like that. So I thought I will share one or two things with you. One thing is, when you meet people, or when I meet people, I'll tell you what I do. When I meet people, first I give them a little about myself. Even if I'm going to speak about my training, I tell them a little about my training, what kind of training I am into, what kind of people have I helped, so that they can relate to me. So I tell them that first, and then I give my card to them so that they will remember. Secondly, which I think is very, very important for all of us, when you are sitting in the corner, like some of you all were talking to each other, some of you all were sitting in the corner, even when you are sitting, you have to look interested and you have to look powerful. And the best thing and the most important thing in such network groups is you have to look approachable, right? So there is this one technique which I usually use, because we talk to a lot of people. Sometimes you may have a fight at home. Your spouse, if you are married, your spouse must be troubling you, or you must have troubled her and then come here. You may have a pet who did not want to leave you. You may have your kid at home. It must be raining heavily. You had a lot of traffic. So when you enter, how do you enter? You enter with all those things in your head, and that shows in your body language. So will people come and approach you? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't want to go to someone who's already looking like Gabbar Singh to me, right? So when you open that door, you mentally carry a bag with you. Mentally, always carry a bag with you. And whenever I enter my classroom or I enter my trainings, what do? I open that door, I take that bag, and the fight of the morning, I put it in. Any kind of worries, I put it in. Any kind of arguments, you know, when you have, I put it in. And I say, listen, right now you rest here. Let me talk to people. Let me be myself. Let me smile. Once I am done, while going back, I'll open the door and carry it with me. Can you do that? And will it help? It creates a lot of difference because your eyes show the strength of your soul. So when you go and meet people, how do you meet people? You meet people through the eyes. You connect with people through your eyes. If they are not smiling, people will be really scared. So when you meet people, first of all, you smile, talk to them a little about yourself, then a little about your business, and then you exchange cards. People will remember. If I just come and tell you, Nidhi, I'm a chartered accountant, this is my card, what will you do? There are so many chartered accountants in the room. There are so many interior designers, there are so many MBA in marketing, there are so